Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Yeah, lots of volatility at the moment in the crypto sector. So today we want to take a look at a chart that has moved quite a bit in the last few weeks. It's the HBAR chart. So we want to see if there is still a chance for an immediate turnaround. Can we hold the April low? And if not, what would be an additional or alternative support or trading area? Let's go. We are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You already know the website. You can register for free, by the way. The link is in the description and you can get access to all of these Elliott Wave updates. Also, by the way, we now have a very new Instagram account, The Market Intel. It's also linked in the video description. So make sure you follow us there for additional updates. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies section today. And I'm selecting Hedera hash graph and we take a look at the weekly chart first. Yeah, we are still kind of in the same overall weekly structure. Always start with the weekly chart because it's important to understand where we might be heading. What is a larger time frame? Has the analysis changed? At the moment, not yet, but I can tell you that it would be ideal to see some more upside here to finally give us an indication that the primary scenario is being followed, which would be magenta wave 3. Remember, the price bottomed here in 2022, 2023 at around 3.5 cents. That was an internal wave 2, and we could indeed be in this third wave to the upside, magenta wave 3. From a weekly chart point of view, there are however some levels that really need to be broken. Primarily, we would expect the third wave to get into this magenta target box. So we talk really about $1.20 plus for HBAR kind of long term. In the first instance, well, we need to get above this 2021 high, but more important is actually a break above the 72-cent level. And why is that? Because the 72-cent level is like a key pivot that helps us distinguish between the magenta scenario, in which we could go up very directly, and the blue scenario, in which magenta wave 2 is still unfolding. So we could still be dealing with a more extended correction. 3.5 cents is really key support here. Any break above 72 cents is needed to confirm that this is not a B wave rally, because the blue scenario, yes, it's only 33% likelihood, is still a thing. It is still important, yeah. That blue scenario would be like an ABC structure to the upside in wave B. And then from there, we could move down in wave C and we have a larger correction basically. Now, the idea is, however, that we break through this level. If this really is a third wave to the upside, that should happen. And we see that with a 67% likelihood. Now, I would say, let us also take a look at the smaller time frame, HBAR. And why is this important? Because here on the smaller time frame, we can see that there is a chance that we're turning around from here. So we talked in the last video update about the concept here of a 1-2 setup. It's entirely possible that the market has formed 5 waves up from this April low, which means this correction that started in January, I think it was, yeah, this completed in April at 12 cents. And I said to you last time, as long as we're holding that level, primary scenario is pointing towards higher prices more directly in beige wave 3, which should take us in the next step to 23 cents plus. So we're approaching that 23 cent level. Well, far away from that at the moment, but that is what we'd like to see. Price test that level, ideally break above it. That would be good confirmation that indeed beige wave 2 bottomed just here a few days ago. And that's very, very important that we break higher, break above 23 cents, because I think one more low and we are in this alternative scenario, which we have assigned a 40% likelihood. So it is quite high. We shouldn't ignore it. If that happens, the support area or target area is actually between 8 cents and 12 cents. So it's just let's call it an alternative target area we can observe and watch in case the market breaks below the 12-cent level. But primary count, 60% likelihood, is actually that we've bottomed there in beige wave 2. So yeah, that's the update on HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to register on the website, but also make sure you follow us on Instagram. As I said, there's a new Instagram account, The Market Intel, where you can get news and additional updates. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other cryptocurrencies or stocks you want me to cover in future videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.